Viral video shows the now deceased Jamar Farquharson opening the door to his dwelling in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon, minutes to 3 p.m. Monday, September 15. The concern for relatives is what happened before and or after this apparent surrender that would cause the 22-year-old mixologist to be killed by police.
So normally we don't touch upon these topics, but for the first, I could try something new. So viewers and subscribers, like always, remember, leave a subscribe and I could talk about it.
A request to the JSA for the official report on the fatal shooting has gone unanswered. But CCTV footage obtained by CVM News from 2:34 up to 3 p.m. gives us a timeline of the events. The first video was captured at 2:34 p.m. Jamar arrives home from work. His housemate who also works with him confirmed this with CVM News. He's eating a patty and makes his way upstairs to his room. At 2:38 p.m., he takes off his shirt and walked to his room. He stays there until 2:56 p.m. when he sees the police arrive at the gate. He runs with his phone to let them inside. The plot develops. From this video, we know Jamar is outside. 2:57 to 2:58 p.m., police enter and search the entire building. The cameras don't show it, but they force their way into 4 other rooms other than Jamar's. When we visited, we were shown the damage to each door. In fact, this door was badly damaged. No one else was there. Then they turned this camera sideways. But it continues recording on a cloud. They unplugged the internet at 3:31 p.m. But the camera downstairs continued recording before the police disconnected the internet and captured several of the team members walking in and out, stopping and checking behind chairs, conversing with each other, even talking on the phone. In this video alone, we count at least 10 policemen and women in conversation while Jamar is outside. The video was recorded at 3:31 p.m. The other tenant says the internet was disconnected and his 3 cameras upstairs taken by police. He brought us to the room and showed us what appeared to be bullet holes in the wall where Jamar was reportedly shot. Bloodstains were still present. Indicom has all the footage seen by CVM News and is investigating. The other tenant has since moved out in fear, telling CVM News the police have circled the area every day since the shooting. Residents staged a protest on Saturday demanding answers. Jamar's aunt, who raised him, also wants answers.
It don't take a rocket science to know that you have to have a search warrant. Whose name is on the search warrant?
Giovanni Dennis.
So an ongoing investigation is going on right now upon the topic. A lot of people want answers. The family want answers. The community want answers. Everybody want answers to know why the police take this person's life. And me hear say me young. You see me? And remember, enough viewers and subscribers, the youth actually pulled the door and let the police them in to the house. And when he pulled the door, his hands were in the ear. So if he was a wanted criminal or whatsoever, from him pull the door and his hands are in the ear, the least the police them could do, detain him. Detain him, and then they can carry out their investigation and search the house. You see me? But they never detain him. The police them go into the house and them just start search, them just start cover up the camera. So basically it seems like the police them go with that intention, and when you look, all of them there in the house, they know a circle and them are reason out something, you see me? So a lot of people want answers upon this situation, and you can't blame them. You see me? Obviously, the youth is not a threat. You see me? From him pull the door, let them in, him hands there in the ear. So it's not like he open fire upon them or nothing like that. His hands were in the ear when he pull the door and let them in. So a lot of people want answers, and you can't wrong them. The family members want answers, the community everybody want answers. Like, how we supposed to feel safe when the people them who supposed to protect us harm us? Arm the innocent, and me not even go say the youth innocent or nothing. Me don't know. But what me say is that he pulled the door with his hands in the ear. So if he was wanted, the least they could have done was to detain him and carry out their search in the house. You see me? It's not like saying pull the door and open fire upon them. and they had no choice but to, So viewers and subscribers, just leave on the take in the comments and let me know when you think about it. You see me? I be things are going and it all look good. You see me?